let's go through exactly what is next for crypto. First up, this is what we're dealing with currently. FTX selling $1 billion, Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF, spurring major outflows from the fund since the SEC approval. So some short-term selling pressure. This is where the math lines up in terms of flows. Grayscale has lost $3.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, a lot of that FTX, and then $4.5 billion has flooded into BlackRock and Fidelity and the others, right? Net inflow, $1 billion. So the selling from FTX won't last forever, but the inflows into BlackRock very well may. Here's some more selling pressure. Obviously, the dollar going up, the 10-year yield, interest rates going up, that's caused massive harm to revolutionary growth technology, because when the dollar's weak, crypto does well, not when it's expensive. And so what do we expect to happen to the dollar over the next few years, right? It always gets weaker. And so history is just repeating itself. This is the Bitcoin chart following a very similar technical pattern. So in 2016, there was a massive run up, a rejection, crashed down 29%. 2019, massive run up, rejection at the same level, down 30%. 2024, same technical pattern, up massively, rejection. If it's down 30%, then Bitcoin will hit $35,000, shaking people out of the market forever, causing them to miss the next bull run. And this is another great indicator of the psychology of Bitcoin, right? This is open interest on Bitcoin. When the green line goes up, people are massively levered long chasing. Well, what happens every time it goes up? There's a massive liquidation again. People get shaken out at the wrong time. Like here, right before the massive Santa Claus rally in November and December. Then in anticipation of the ETF, obviously, sell the news event, massive liquidation to levels way even more bearish than before the Santa Claus rally. So what do we expect now? People are off sides heading into the next bull market in crypto. And here's another chart repeating itself. This is the chart of Cardano, right? This looks like a lot of the assets we're looking at now, right? So obviously it's been a massive crypto winter. Well, what happened to Cardano in 2020? It went from 3 cents up to 14 cents. And then it crashed down to 8 cents. Well, what happened after that? It skyrocketed up to like $2. That is how crypto works. It's vicious psychologically.